I do not like the look of the clouds, how they always look like they make waves. I don't like the darkness because it lets me know when it rains. I really don't like being out here, hearing the cars pass by. It's just too much noise, and I am never satisfied with that, so I go and find a place of quiet. Problem is, there's not very many places that are private. So I tend to go where I usually don't. I do what I can, whatever floats my boat. And as I'm walking along these railroad tracks, I'm thinking to myself, will this work? Will I get any views for this? Or will it be just as much as a leaf's worth? Like the autumn leaves that fall, then they die, and then again, there comes new ones in the spring, and then the summer heat withers them again. And as things move on and time passes us by, what can you do but to like, comment, and subscribe?